Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. I've got a new flower for you and it's the daisy flower on a metal wire. And well, it's just easy to crochet and to make. You can also make it in different colors if you like. And you can make a bunch of it so you get a whole bouquet of flowers. So I'm going to show you what you need for this. You've got some yarn. I've got a yellow for the inside and the white for the petals, and I've got some green for the bottom. So over here, this part. I've got a crochet hook of 2.5 millimeters, and you'll need a glue gun and some metal wire. And for this I used thin metal wire, and this is what my grandma used to use for well, a lot of things. She was also very creative, and I think it's real silver wire, but I'm not sure, but I guess it is. But it's very thin wire, so you can apply it easily for the base of your flower. So that's what you need. So first I'm going to show you how to begin. For the green, it's the same thing you need to crochet for what I'm going to show you in yellow. So the yellow part will be here and the green part will be at the bottom. So what I'm showing you in yellow, you have to do also in green, but I'm not showing you that. So first I'm going to make a magic circle. And then chain one to secure your magic circle. Now into that circle, I'm going to make 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tighten your magic circle and slip stitch into that first stitch. Make a slip stitch. Now chain 1, and in every stitch you need to make 1 single crochet. So you will have 8 single crochets when you are at the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now cut your wire, cut your thread, I'm sorry, or your yarn, and then into the next stitch make a slip stitch and pull your yarn through that loop on your hook, so like this. So tighten your magic circle again a little bit, grab a darning needle, and you're going to weave in the end over here. So go over to the back and make sure your yarn won't come undone. And what I would like to do is to tie 2 knots with both ends. Like this. And then cut your yarn. And there's the base of your flower. And make this one in green too. But for the yellow, we're gonna add the petals with white. So go into a stitch, doesn't matter which one, and grab your white yarn and attach it to the yellow base of your flower. Leave the tail down, and now chain 2, and into that same stitch you're gonna make 2 double crochets. So 1 double crochet into that same stitch and another double crochet into that same stitch. Oh, it's not focusing. And now chain 2, and into that same stitch make a slip stitch. So your first petal is on one stitch, like this. So I'm going to show you next. You have to do that 7 more times. So into the next stitch make a slip stitch. Now chain 2. Into that same stitch make a double crochet. And make one more double crochet into that same stitch. Now chain 2. And into that same stitch make a slip stitch. So there's the second petal. So do this until you have 8 petals. So in the next stitch make a slip stitch, chain 2, into that same stitch make a double crochet, into that same stitch make one more double crochet, chain 2, and into that same stitch make a slip stitch. So go ahead and make 8 petals until you're at the end, and I'm going to show you how to assemble your daisy flower. So my daisy flower is done. I tuck in the ends inside of this yellow center over here, so make sure there's no pieces sticking out. And I've got my green parts done, also. That's the underside of the daisy, so this goes here. But first we need to cut our wire, so decide what length wire you want it to be, and then fold it in half and make a little point out of here. And then we're gonna go from the inside out, so your 2 pieces of wire need to come out of the bottom. So first I'm gonna poke it into the center, if it works. Any tails I'm gonna put back later. So this is into the center, and make sure this one goes right next to the center. So if you do it inside the center, then both pieces of metal wire will come out, but you don't want that. You want it to be nice and tight. So I'm gonna put the ends back in here, so that counts as a little bit as a stuffing. And then I'm gonna twist the yarn so everything is nice and secure. And then we need to grab our glue gun. Oh wait. And then just put a lot of glue inside there, and just put it at the bottom, at the center of your daisy flower. And you can see I put a little bit too much of the glue. That was not what I wanted, but my glue gun sometimes just leaks, and I hate this glue gun, but I don't know which glue gun is better. But well, you need to do this very neatly. I'm sorry if it's not neatly done right now, but I think you get the message what you need to do. So I glue my fingers too. So just put your back of the flower at the back of your daisy, or well, the bottom of your flower, that green stuff, to the back of your daisy. And make sure all the ends are tucked into there nicely. So this is not nicely done, I'm sorry, but you need to do it better than I am showing you. But sometimes it's just difficult to do it on camera, and my glue gun just leaks a lot. So well, so here is your daisy to the metal wire, and then you need to grab your green yarn. You can also put a little bit of glue onto the piece over here, so you get your yarn attached to the stem. So I hope you can see it. I have a little bit of hot glue over here. So I'm gonna put my end at this piece over here, glue it down, and then just, well, it just doesn't stick. Well, you get the message, I guess. But then just wrap around your wire around the base of your flower and just go over and wrap it around the metal wire. And what I like is to have a little ball, so I can really manage to wrap tightly around the metal. So I just go over the two pieces of wire and make sure everything is nice and tight. And do this until you are at the end over here, and put a little bit of glue too at the bottom so your yarn won't come undone. And then you have your little daisy flower. So I think you get the message what you need to do for this. So I'm not going to finish it because my fingers are just all glued, and well, it's just a mess over here with my glue gun. So, but just do this until you have your daisy flower. And you can see mine is a little bit wobbly, so I didn't really put my wire through the right pieces of my bottom. But if you do that, if you do it right, then you can see it's all nice and tight. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it, and I'm curious if you're gonna make a daisy flower too. You can also put other colors around here, but well, you can make it however you want it. And for now, I just want to ask if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you did not already do that. And you can turn on the notifications so you get a message when I upload a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.